This is a 1950s house, and I'm pulling back the shoreline inspection camera here. And as we can see from the video, in just a minute, we're going to be underwater. And when we have a camera and doing a shoreline inspection and our camera goes underwater like this, we know that there's a problem with the piping. We shouldn't be underwater like this. We shouldn't have all this debris. So there's a couple things happening here. Either one, we have a belly in the pipe, which is a possibility, or number two, we have something called channeling, which is that over the years, the flow of the wastewater going through this old pipe will actually cause a channel to form at the bottom of the pipe, similar to like a river would create a channel in a bunch of rock, or a ravine would be formed by running water or by flowing water through it. So here we see a lot of debris at this point as we're pulling the camera back, and this is something that's going to have to be addressed because we do not have normal flow through this shoreline, and this is a problem. And we can have issues now with shoreline backups, because over time that water is just going to back up and it's not going to flow correctly. So definitely a problem with water flow in the shoreline. As we're pulling back the camera, the balance of the shoreline, well, it looks pretty good. This is an old cast iron shoreline that looks like it was hydrojetted not too long ago. The usual pitting and deterioration and rusting that we usually see is currently not present, so it seems like they recently did a descaling of this portion of the shoreline. However, the portion that we just exited was full of water, and that's something that we're going to bring to light to the customer, and that's something that certainly is going to have to be repaired, because you guys don't want to buy a house and have a shoreline problem. Once you purchase the home, the shoreline is part of the house. It's not the town's responsibility. It's not the municipality. You guys actually purchased the home and you own the problems with the shoreline. So it's imperative, and I really I couldn't be more stressful. It's really important to have a shoreline inspection because that's the only way we know what's going on with your shoreline. It's a pipe that's below ground from the basement shore connection to the street. And we just can't see it without doing a proper shoreline scope or shoreline inspection. So please consider that. Even newer homes have problems. You can say your house has PVC pipe and it's a newer home, but we've seen a lot of problems even with newer pipes, with bellies and sagging and poor installation of those pipes. So thanks very much, and we'll talk to you soon.